Welcome back to Instant Buzz. Today, we're diving into the world of insurance claims and discovering how you can file your claims effectively and maximize your benefits. Whether it's home, auto, health, or any other type of insurance, understanding the claims process is crucial. So, let's get started. Step 1. Know your policy inside out. Examine your insurance policy thoroughly, including the coverage limitations, deductibles, and any special conditions for filing a claim. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions so you understand what you are entitled to and what is required of you. Step 2. Document the damage. If you are in a scenario where you need to file a claim, it is critical that you document the damage as soon as possible. Capture any evident traces of damage or destruction in clear images or videos of the impacted locations. This proof will be essential while negotiating with your insurance company. Step 3. Contact insurance company promptly. As soon as you've documented the damage, contact your insurance company. Give them all the information they need, including the date and specifics of the incident, the degree of the damage, and any applicable supporting paperwork. Remember that the sooner you notify them, the sooner they may begin the claims process. Step 4. Follow the claims process. Your insurance carrier will walk you through the steps necessary to file your claim. Make sure to swiftly supply any additional paperwork or information that they want. Maintain a record of all communication and keep copies of any written communications for your records. Step 5. Maximize your benefits. Consider talking with a reputable public adjuster or an insurance claims attorney to help you receive the greatest rewards from your insurance claim. These experts can offer helpful advice, negotiate on your behalf, and assist you in navigating the complexity of the claims process. Remember, making an insurance claim does not have to be difficult. You may maximize your benefits and collect the money you deserve by understanding your policy, documenting the damage, promptly notifying your insurance carrier, following the claims process, and seeking expert guidance if necessary. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.